Hello and welcome. Today I want to guide you through using the Companion plugin, which is our plugin focused on pure Figma Variables consumption. It doesn't support tokens management. It really is only there to export your tokens to variables in Figma. So let's dive into it. We are again in our Tokens Garden example here. If we go to the tokens page, you can see we have global, semantics, and all these settings. If we go to our themes page, you can see we have a dark and a light mode here. And that's the important part. If you go to Figma, it's easy to find a plugin. You only have to write Companion by Tokens Studio. You can see it already shows up for me. You can open it. On the first view, you have to enter an API key. That API key you can obtain over the interface of Studio. Inside Studio, you have three ways to get to the API keys. We have a button here on the dashboard, find your API keys. Over your profile, you can also go to your API keys. And you can also use the Command K menu to find your API keys. We're going to create our first API key here. The name is something for you to remember. That's my Figma Companion. This will show you your API key. Keep this key secret as you have access to your projects with them. I will delete this one after the video. I can copy that API key and move over to Figma again. I just paste it in here, sign in. And after signing in, I can actually already see my Garden project because the last one I've selected. If you press on the top bar, you can actually switch your organization and your project. So we're going to go with Garden. It will load all my tokens from the server. In the second row, you can actually switch your collections if you have multiple theme groups available. On the right side, you can search for a specific token. So let's say we want to search for size 0. It's the first one here. Most of the tokens are actually exported, but a few of them are skipped, as you can see on the bottom. Gradients, shadows, typography, all composition tokens that can't be exported to variables are skipped by the export. In the bottom layer, you have your fetch tokens from Studio. We also have an auto refresh mode. I'll show you that in a second. We have create variables and delete variables and the sign out from your account. So let's go back to the overview and open our local variables. As you can see, currently we have no variables available. I'm just going to press create once, and it's going to create my first collection with all my variables. I'm now going to trigger the auto refresh mode, and the plugin is going to collapse to a small bar at the bottom. We now go back to our Studio and select our global set. We're going to change our size 0 value here. Let's just add some 9999 pixel. There we see a change. We're going to save that. We're going to switch over to Figma. And as you can see, the plugin updated, and we can see our 999 value on the size 0. There's no values. If we press cancel, we can see our size 0 here that is updated. We're going to change that value back to 0. Press save. Go back to our Figma. We can also do a manual fetch. If I press fetch, we'll manually trigger a fetch from Studio, and you can see my size 0 is now back to 0. At the end, if you're done or you want to switch account, you just can use your sign out to leave the plugin, and everything is back to normal. I hope that could give some light on the Companion plugin. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope to see you in the next session. Bye!